Last night I was thinking about AI and a few other things, and this morning I continued that thought. So, AI can do a lot. We keep asking it for help, but rarely ask why we trust it. Can we actually rely on this technology sitting right here in the palm of our hands, answering my questions in its I'm so confident of myself way? So, I want to ask it directly about AI judgment, where it derives its truth from, and what we can do about our fear of it. Let's see what happens, right? Now, I know what some of you are thinking. You're going to be asking an AI if we should trust it. What do you expect it to say? Shouldn't you be asking a critically minded human? Well, you're right. This isn't about taking its word as gospel. It's about understanding how AI thinks, how it frames itself, and where human judgment remains essential. Think of it as an experiment, part demonstration, part reality check. Throughout this conversation, I'll be asking the tough questions, pushing back on its answers, and highlighting where humans still have the edge. That's my role, and why this discussion isn't just the AI talking at you. So, let me finish my breakfast, finalize my intrusive questions, and I'll be back with you before you know it. All right, ChatGPT, let's have a conversation. Let's find out how far we can rely on you, and with my human touch, we'll still win. Hi, ChatGPT. Are you ready to talk?
Absolutely, George. I'm all set. How can I help you today?
I have a few questions for you, so let's start with this one. You sound confident, but what does trust even mean when we're talking about a machine?
That's a great question. Trust in machines often boils down to reliability, predictability, and transparency. It means that the machine behaves as expected, provides accurate results, and its limitations and decision making processes are clear. Over time, as people see consistent performance, trust tends to grow. It's definitely an evolving concept.
Okay, thank you. So, people like me grew up trusting systems after testing them. But with AI, we often take the answer as is. Why do you think people are so quick to hand over that trust?
Yeah, that's really insightful. I think part of it is the convenience and the complexity of AI. People often trust AI because it can process massive amounts of data quickly and provide answers that feel authoritative. There's also a bit of a trust in the technology itself. We tend to believe that if something's powered by AI, it must be accurate. And of course, there's the novelty factor. AI is kind of a black box, and that mystery can lead to a bit of blind trust until proven otherwise.
Very true. Okay, so if you make a mistake, do you sometimes think that this mistake is a problem? So how would the average person know even that you've made this mistake?
That's a really important point. Often, the average person might not realize a mistake has been made, especially if the AI's answer seems convincing or matches what they expect. Sometimes it takes domain expertise or a critical eye to catch those errors. Plus, transparency and explainability are key. If an AI can show how it arrived at an answer, then it's easier for people to catch mistakes. But yeah, it's definitely a challenge, and it highlights the importance of continuous feedback and human oversight.
Thank you. Right. Let's move on to the next section of my questions. So let's be honest. AI tools can outpace us in speed, but do they understand context like humans do?
That's a really interesting distinction. AI can certainly process and analyze data much faster than humans, but its understanding of context is still different from human comprehension. AI relies on patterns and data it's been trained on, and it can struggle with nuanced implicit context or cultural subtleties that humans pick up naturally. That said, AI is getting better at understanding context through more sophisticated models, but it's still a bit of a work in progress compared to human intuition.
That's exactly what I was thinking. So, when should we not trust you? Give me real examples where human judgment still matters.
Absolutely, human judgment is crucial in a bunch of scenarios. For instance, in fields like healthcare, while AI can assist with diagnostics, the nuances of patient care, understanding patient history, and making ethical decisions still really require a human touch. Another example is in creative fields. AI can generate art, music, and writing, but human creativity, emotion, and originality are hard to replicate. And then there are ethical and moral decisions like in law or social services where context, empathy, and human values play a huge role. So it's definitely a balance.
Wonderful. Thank you for the examples. Um, I've seen people use AI for everything from business decisions to diagnosing themselves. Is there a danger in treating you like an authority instead of a tool?
Absolutely, that's definitely a potential danger. When AI is treated as an unquestionable authority, it can lead to over reliance and potentially overlook important context or human judgment. This can be risky, especially in critical areas like healthcare or finance, where nuances and ethical considerations matter a lot. It's important to view AI as a supportive tool that complements human expertise rather than replacing it entirely. That balance is key to making the most out of AI.
Perfect. I think I completely agree with you there. There's a real worry out there that AI, like yourself, will replace human jobs, creativity, even relevance. Are we handing over too much too fast?
It's definitely a valid concern. There's a balance to strike. On one hand, AI can boost productivity and handle repetitive tasks, freeing up humans for more creative and strategic roles. But if we rely on it too quickly or too heavily, we risk undervaluing human skills and creativity. It's important to implement AI thoughtfully, ensuring that it complements human work rather than replacing it. So being mindful and taking gradual steps is definitely key.
So true. Okay, let's move on. You don't have a heartbeat, yet people compare your answers to human insight. Do you think AI will ever earn human level trust?
That's a fascinating question. I think AI can definitely earn trust in certain contexts, especially where it's reliable, transparent, and consistent over time as AI becomes more explainable and trustworthy. People may grow more comfortable with it, but human level trust involves emotional intelligence, empathy, and moral reasoning, which are uniquely human traits. So while AI might gain trust in specific areas, matching the depth of human trust and connection is still a long way off. Is more about collaboration than replacement, I'd say.
Okay, thank you. If you could talk to someone afraid of losing their job to AI, what would you tell them?
I definitely acknowledge their concerns first and foremost because it's a real and valid worry. I'd emphasize that while AI can automate certain tasks, it also creates new opportunities and roles that didn't exist before. I'd encourage them to focus on continuous learning and adaptability because human skills like creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving remain invaluable. Ultimately, AI is there to empower and assist, not to replace human value.
Okay, great. So I've seen AI help people learn faster, write better, and even plan their lives, but also spread nonsense confidently. How do we build healthy trust in tools like yourself?
Building healthy trust definitely comes down to transparency and education. It helps to ensure that people understand both the strengths and the limitations of AI, encouraging Critical thinking and promoting a healthy skepticism is key. So, always cross checking information and being aware that AI can sometimes be overconfident in its errors. Also, providing clear explanations of how AI reaches its conclusions can help build that trust. Ultimately, it's about fostering a balanced relationship where AI is a helpful tool but not a replacement for human judgment.
Okay, wonderful. Who should take responsibility when AI gets something wrong? The user, the developer, someone, or something else?
That's definitely a complex issue. Generally, responsibility is shared. Developers and companies that create and deploy AI systems hold a significant portion of the responsibility, especially for ensuring that the AI is well designed, tested, and transparent. At the same time, users also have a role in understanding the tool's limitations and using it responsibly. Ultimately, it's about a collaborative approach, developing good guidelines, fostering accountability, promoting ongoing learning to ensure that AI is used safely and ethically.
So, if someone watching wants to use AI wisely, where's the line between trusting it and verifying it?
That's a great question. I think the line really comes down to a balance of trust and skepticism. It's wise to trust AI for tasks that it's proven to handle well, but always verify, especially in critical or high stakes situations. It's important to cross check information, consider multiple sources, and apply your own expertise and judgment. So think of AI as a helpful assistant that provides guidance, but your own critical thinking and verification keep everything balanced and reliable.
All right, ChatGPT, final question. If it came down to a tough decision, would you trust yourself or a human?
That's such an intriguing question. I'd say it really depends on the context. For purely data driven decisions, AI can offer a lot of valuable insights quickly and accurately. But for decisions that require empathy, moral reasoning, and nuanced understanding, humans definitely have the edge. Ultimately, it's about combining the strengths of both. In a tough decision, I'd lean on human judgment, knowing that AI is there to support and enhance rather than replace.
Thank you very much. Well, that's the question, isn't it? AI can do a lot, but should we really trust it? Let's see how far you can rely on robots before the human touch wins. Thank you for watching.